that's not the correct order. Yeah.
Hello guys, I just woke up.
And I don't know why am I grounded for no reason.
You're grounded because this morning you talked to me like not nice words.
No, I already said please earlier.
Yeah.
And you still don't.
Yeah, we wake up in the morning and in the first word you ask me, where is my phone? And I don't like that. You should kiss me first
I already did
and
that.
hug me and make lambing to me, and you should.
I already did that.
Then you should say, Mommy, I love you. Can I kiss you? And then after, Mommy, can you please
Let me go.
listen to me?
Stop.
Listen to me.
Stop.
You should say like this, Mommy, please, can I borrow my phone?
So
Cover the camera.
let's go, guys.
Don't cover that. It's this here.
Wait,
Next time, you should next time know what to do.
I found something.
See, the camera is here.
I found something.
What something?
This one, just right
Ah,
there.
you can press that and make a photo. That the white one.
No, you can put the
Okay,
red.
I'm gonna explain to you. You know, guys, listen to me. You have to listen to me. You're not listening.
Just let me go.
No. The reason why he is grounded today because
I don't know.
what?
I said I don't know. Why am I grounded?
Because he always ignore me, not sweet anymore, and I think he don't love me anymore.
Hey!
Shh, don't scream.
I am. I love you.
And not like before that he every time he wake up before he hug me and kiss me and he make lambing to me. And now not anymore. That's unfair. Just hug Enzo, not to me.
Because he's way too cute.
It's okay. You think I'm not cute?
Yeah.
So you don't hug me?
Because he's more cuter than you.
That's why I'm so upset. You know that.
Just let me.
Even when you're grown up now in the future, you still need to be sweet to me and kiss me every morning and hug me. Hey, stop acting like that. You know that?
I'm just playing with my.
And then, what I did, as a punishment to Lucas, I grounded him for the whole day, no cell phone. That's the...
Bro, I can survive without.
Sura mag-English.
I can survive.
That's a consequence. Is that a consequence? Is that the correct word?
No, it's called skibbity poop.
It's a consequence. Basta, gigrounded na ko siya. Hindi na siya sweet na ako. Oh my God, I'm so tampo na to you.
Just let me go.
You stay with me. That's the reason why I grounded you. And from time to time, he asked me, Mommy, give me back my cell phone. And I said, no, I stand my words. I stand for that. And I will give it to him.
And subscribe to me.
Subscribe to the
And Jasmine always says that's not mine own channel.
Yeah, and tomorrow, I think morning, I'm gonna give it back to him. The cell phone.
But
Yeah.
tomorrow is
Actually, I just woke up because I woke up late, like
because
11, nearly 12,
No, I just
almost 12,
I
almost.
woke up at 7 and I woke up before you.
No, I wake up already morning because Enzo woke me up.
Because Enzo wake me up too.
Then that's why, and then I sleep again.
Because I heard
So what did you isurang English. So what did kapuya istorya ng English mo anak nimo eh.
I think Enzo is
What have you learned today? Tama ba?
I just learned some funny words. Like Mr. Poo Heady.
Kapuya mo. What have you learned? What kapuya English mo. Anong natutunan mo sa araw na to?
Diku.
Ha?
Diku means I don't know.
Anong natutunan mo sa araw na to?
Diku.
Say Diko.
Diku means I don't know.
You don't understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No, lisod kayo siya istorya na gid siya kasabot na ako. Awat Bisaya, unsay nasabtan nimo karong adlaw?
That means That's French.
Oh. So, today, Lucas is grounded.
Hey,
That's the punishment
I'm not
because
happy.
because of he's not being sweet to me this morning, and he just woke up and he said, "Mommy, where's my phone?" That's why I don't like that. You should be ask me in a nice way and be sweet and being a gentle boy, gentle kid. Like Enzo, first thing in the morning he hugged me and he kissed me.
No.
You are like that before.
No, he just wanted.
No, you was like that before.
Enzo wants.
Kapo English, lisod.
Earlier we was in the bed and Enzo wants to play with you.
Nagkakatak in English niya. Yeah, you was so sweet before you wake up in the morning. You hug me and Daddy, and we are so happy as a parents because you're so sweet. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.